Improve toolbit holder that can be permanently located at the best possible working position, whereby the cutting toolbit can be replaced or removed for resharpening without altering the predetermined cutting or working plane of the bit.
I'm going to talk about the problem statement. First is waste our time, and the second is it did not got exact the angle and measurement, and the lastly is risk of injury.
Our project is to facilitate students and lecturers to point the toolbit. Second, to avoid wastage by removing damaged toolbit, and the last one is to save time for progress the project.
Our scope for the toolbit holder is for the device learning tool. There is help student mechanical engineering, especially in polytechnic and all the institutions of education.